Okay guys, so this company, Global Home, sent me an 8-inch stainless steel pan. It's made with 5 layers of premium metal, including aluminium for quick, even heating. That means no hot spots and better control while you cook. It's super durable, won't warp, and works on all cooktops. Gas, electric, induction, plus it's oven safe up to 800 degrees and it's dishwasher safe. The handle is riveted for strength and designed to feel comfortable in your hand, whether you're flipping, searing, or roasting. Handcrafted in Arizona, this pan is built to last a lifetime and even comes with a lifetime warranty. A solid choice for any kitchen. So thank you so much to Global Home for sending me my stainless steel pan. I absolutely love it, and I hope you enjoy this little segment of food. Richard was cooking his steak and I was just helping, so I hope you guys enjoy. And if you want your own stainless steel pan, I'm going to leave more information down below.
Jar with the feet.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh my god. I love this. Do you know how happy it makes me when I see this? My favorite holiday. That is so cute. That one's super cute. I love it. These are so cute. Why do I love Christmas so much, babe? Wait, is this is another light thing.
Wait, look at it. Does it work?
I think you...
Oh, it does. Look at.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Is it the next
Okay.
gingerbread house?
Look at all these houses.
Ooh,
That's so cute.
more gingerbread houses.
This is so pretty. I love their Christmas decor. I think it's so nice. That is like a mini tumbler. How much are you? Does it say? Oh, it's $21 for a
It's
mini.
half off right now, so
Oh,
makes it,
well.
22 or 20.
12?
12. Sorry. 12.
I was gonna say, I was like,
Look at these squishies. They're like little
squishmas.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Oh, look at the little shots.
Very
Look
cool.
at you. This is $8.99, so it'd be 50% off.
So $9, so 9 would be like $4.50.
Wow.
Plus tax.
The deals are pretty good, I would say. They're so cute. We found him. We found him. He's so cute. That's how he looked when he was a puppy. That is so freaking cute. And it's all 50% off. So,
Isn't this cool?
all right, we gotta get a few ornaments. I feel like there's
They're
some
gone,
really
girl.
good
We have
ones.
to get
Yeah,
them now.
yeah, you have to get them like now, like today. All right. Well, should I go get a basket? That's $20, and it's 50% off. That is so cute.
The carpet.
Yeah. It's like you'll know. How much is it going? $8.08. Nice.
And this one didn't have the sugar, I was okay with a bigger one.
Yeah, let's get a bigger one.
So this one is
El chicken. Cilantro. We got limes.
you got some fucked up lines.
Those were the... Babe, they were like
Oh,
the
the
only
best?
ones. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
There were 6 of them. And I got the 4.
Chili powder.
Magoo magoo. Lychee drink. And then rice.
What we're making today, we're making
Corn.
chicken rice bowls.
Yeah.
basically. How much was all of this?
All this came out to $34.29.
That's alright.
So
Not bad.
you can,
For one meal though.
you could technically, if you omit these things here, which are not part of the meal, but this was about $10 worth of chips.
Yeah.
And maybe I think these were probably another $5, so $15. So probably this was under 20 bucks.
Yeah, that's not bad if you think of
including
it.
the chili powder.
I'm excited for this meal. Let's give it a go. And now, do you guys have like upgraded, or like is this like the standard?
This is what you see here is what you're gonna get. It's gonna be water appliances. There's you're gonna have curve.
I see.
Apartments, and I just finished it up. I'm going to my next apartment now, so let's go. But this is not bad. This is all together for a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom. They are starting at $15.10, so that's not bad at all. Especially nowadays, I'm seeing like a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom, I'm seeing it at like $2,000 and more. So yeah, it was good to see that type of price. Right, let's go. Also, you guys, I just wanted to mention that I'm staying in Vegas for now. We always go to California for vacation. California, honestly, we love it. We love being there. And we've been so sick that we were like, it was kind of like a last minute vacation because we only were there for like one night. So we were like, let's go. We need to smell the beach. And that's exactly what we did. And we needed it. So yeah, we love California. I know there is a lot of, you know, good things about California, and there's also very bad things about California, right? So I believe that's with any big city, because if anyone asks me like, oh, why'd you leave Sydney? I love Sydney. That's my home. That's where I was born. But you know, there's also the not very good side of Sydney. It's one of the most expensive states in the world. They have said that Sydney is 1,000 times more expensive than California. And it really is. Like nowadays, it is. Like my friends that are my age, like mid-30s, they cannot buy a home. It is absolutely ridiculous how expensive Sydney has become, because it was never like that before. So you know, it's one of the most expensive states, and actually states in the world. So it's insane. But yeah, you know, there's good and bad with any big city, obviously. But yeah, for now we're staying in Vegas. Our lease is up in January, and I don't know, we'll see. You know, we people that like to move a lot. That sounds so bad, but yeah, we like to move. You know, I moved a lot when I was younger for struggling reasons, you know, but I don't know, I feel like that kind of just impacted me on my life. I love moving as an adult. I don't stay in one place for too long. So I don't know, if I hope and I wish that we could move to California. Obviously I'm just like manifesting it, but yeah, you know, our goal was to get out of debt, and we got out of debt here in Vegas, which I absolutely recommend anyone
to do is just try your very best to get out of debt. And we got out of debt with this program called National Debt Relief. So just in case anyone wants to check them out, I have told some of my subscribers, because they have asked me, and I have told them just go give them a call, see what they can help you with, because honestly, you guys, if it wasn't for National Debt Relief, we would not be in the position that we are today, you know. So I just love them. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. We were with them for 5 years, and they helped us get out of debt with our own money. You know, we were in debt for about $34,000 combined in credit cards. Like, it's a snowball. It's so bad. But yeah, we unfortunately got wrapped in that, and it was $34,000 combined, and they helped us pay it off all the way down to, I think it came out to be like 19,000, 20,000 that they helped us to pay. So I absolutely don't regret that decision. The only thing that I regret is not doing it sooner, because I feel like we probably would be in a little bit of a better situation. But yeah, I totally recommend get out of debt, you know, because that financial freedom is worth everything nowadays. I feel like everything is so expensive and just ridiculous, not just in apartments, but like groceries, gas, you know, it's starting to become almost like suffocating. So I feel like if me and Richard were in the position that we were when we moved to Vegas, we probably would not be able to afford living here anymore, because when we moved here in 2019, everything was affordable. Obviously COVID happened, so everything went absolutely extremely expensive. But yeah, if we were still in debt, we would not be able to afford Las Vegas. So goal is to get out of debt. Financial freedom is everything nowadays. So yeah, that's what I would recommend. But for now, Vegas is still home.